good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, home of the #1 stock market investing and trading channel on all of YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down a small micro cap penny stock that we're going to be doing a deep dive into, analyzing the business model and taking a look at the chart. If you're new to the channel, we talk about the hottest stocks in the stock market every single day. So consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notifications. And if you want to get free money, if you like free money as much as I do, Webull, my preferred broker, is offering you guys 2 free stocks if you sign up with the link in the description and make an initial deposit of just $100. That's free money valued up to $1,850. Check it out. We've been crushing some killer penny stock trades on the channel of late, and today we're going to be looking at another penny stock. All right. Let's break down this penny stock. The stock we're going to be breaking down in today's video is Green Bank Capital Merchants. This is a merchant banking company, a micro cap penny stock that I think we should take a deep dive into in today's video. This is a sponsored video, and I will always tell you guys when I'm doing a sponsored video, and this company has not told me what to say, and they have not told me that I need to show them the video before it's released, and I only do sponsored videos on stocks that I'm interested in doing a video on. So let's do a deep dive into this Green Bank Capital Merchants. It is traded on the OTC exchange, both the United States, Canada, and the Frankfurt exchange. The US ticker symbol is GRNBF. So Green Bank, as a merchant bank, they invest in companies at the base level, at the foundation. And they're looking for companies that are exhibiting the potential to grow, to blast off. So if the companies grow, if the companies blast off, Green Bank in turn makes a profit. So using its international network of contacts, Green Bank seeks to identify and invest in the global businesses of tomorrow, aka growth company investing. These will tend to be scalable, fast-growing companies whose product is easily purchased worldwide and which can operate internationally. Innovative merchant banking at its heart, Green Bank is dedicated to being a highly skilled and innovative merchant banking business where many professional services firms see only problems and obstacles. Green Bank draws on its wealth of experience to deliver innovative, we love investing in innovative, effective, and decisive solutions. So here's how Green Bank makes some of its revenue. Public listings. Green Bank management has decades of experience in public listings. They help companies to go public. If a company wants to IPO, they have to use a banking firm to do this. Green Bank, being one of those firms, makes money this way. They aim to list companies on the CSE, the London, and the New York stock exchanges. Private equity. Green Bank also makes longer-term private equity investment in a range of private companies. Reverse merger. If a company wants to do a reverse merger, we have been seeing a lot of those with these SPACs that have been going public. Then they need a banking firm to help them do so. Green Bank being one of those. In corporate restructuring, business incubating, mergers and acquisitions, and pre-IPO funding. Pre-IPO funding is going to be a big one. These growth companies out there looking for money to help them grow. Green Bank comes in and says, all right, I want a percentage of the company. We'll give you X amount of dollars. The company grows. Green Bank in turn makes profit. All right, let's take a look at the investor presentation. Some key points here. Their key objectives. What is Green Bank trying to do? They're trying to grow from a small merchant bank to a large international business. We're getting a look at this stock, a look at this company at ground level. It's a small $20 million company, Canadian, I believe right now, and they're trying to grow into a much bigger company. Right now, they're traded on the OTC exchange. So if you have Robinhood, Webull, you will not be able to trade this stock. But if you have a brokerage account with TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, any of the bigger E-Trade, you will be able to trade OTC stocks. There's a lot of great opportunities in the OTC markets. Their goal in the future is to be listed on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. And if that happens, that means this company has grown from a tiny microcap company to a medium size or more company, and that would mean huge growth. Green Bank currently has a market cap of just 20 million Canadian dollars. Over the medium and long term, Green Bank is aiming to develop into a medium-sized NASDAQ listed company. So they're looking to go from an OTC $20 million company and grow into a $2 billion to $10 billion listed stock on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. That is huge growth. That is more than 100x growth if they can achieve this. So we're looking at huge upside here if that happens. Now that's speculative. There's no guarantees that happens, but that's what their goals are, and it's good to see that they have ambitions to grow into a huge company. Here is what they provide of value. There's 6 key drivers of value: making global and scalable investments, investing in companies at ground level and looking to make a profit, large impact property and planning gain, increasingly large acquisitions of companies with proven management and cash flow, capital markets trading, increasingly large free income based on traditional merchant banking services, flexible low-cost overhead structure, maximizes the bottom line. We always got to maximize that bottom line. Green Bank just dropped a huge, massive PR just the other day. Huge news here. On November 16th, Green Bank announced that they have issued a letter of intent to acquire a stake in and provide merchant banking services to Pharmacure, the pioneer of an important and potentially revolutionary treatment of Alzheimer's. So if this company that they're investing in, Pharmacure, can actually come to market with a revolutionary treatment for Alzheimer's, Green Bank stands to profit and benefit exponentially from this investment. Another company that Green Bank has invested in came out with another giant PR on December 4th, 2020. One of their portfolio companies, Stamina Limited, seeks to enter the electric vehicle EV motorcycle market by acquiring the South of England's largest distributor of motorcycles. So another one of the companies that they're investing in is making a huge push into the EV motorcycle market. Out of all the services that Green Bank offers, the one that I find the most interesting and I personally see the most upside in is this private equity funding. Imagine if you invest in a ton of small companies and you just hit on one of those small companies. One of them grows up and becomes a huge behemoth. Imagine if you invested in Airbnb at its very early stages or Uber in its super early stages. When you're a small retail investor like me, the odds of me having the opportunity to do that are very limited. But when you have the chance to invest in a company like Green Bank, who has investments all over a bunch of different industries, you raise your chances of getting in a company at ground level and seeing that company take off. All right, I got the Green Bank stock chart pulled up here. This is the US OTC, GRNBF is the ticker, and we can see that this stock had a really nice run up from down here, about 10 cents a share, all the way up to $1.50 per share. That move right there doesn't look that big, but that move right there is what? 1,500% move right there? That is a giant move. And we came down and we sold off that level and we based out down there. So we're coming into a base. We'll be coming into a base down here, 7-8 cents a share. And it'll be interesting to see if we can run back up and retest these prior highs right there. If we can retest those prior highs, that is an absolutely massive move from we're trading at right now 22 cents a share to almost $1.20, $1.30 a share. That is more than 500%. So from where we're trading at today to the most recent highs in 2018, there's 500% upside. All right, all my trader and investor homies, that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you got something from it. It was a little bit different. I know we're typically talking about listed EV stocks, solar stocks, but I found this Green Bank to be very interesting. It's a different look, looking at a banking company that's making all these different investments around trying to find the next big small company now that's about to take off. I thought it was pretty interesting. So this was a sponsored video. I want to repeat that one more time. So always do your own research. do your own due diligence and contact a financial advisor. And I am not a financial advisor, so always contact one of those guys. So that's going to wrap it up, guys. I love y'all. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for me. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, peace.